A person who is principled in his faith will earn the respect of other faiths because of his adherence to his own faith. Yes. So people are respectful of the fact that we do not celebrate other religious festivals. We should make that very clear, because celebrating their festivals entails shirk, polytheism, and it's not offensive not to do so. It's not offensive. So for anyone to feel that they have offended a person of another faith by not celebrating their religious celebrations, they have misunderstood those people. A Hindu will not be offended by the fact that you do not celebrate Diwali and other things. Likewise with Christmas. So as Muslims, what we do is that firstly we celebrate our own commemorations, our own celebrations, and we invite non-Muslims to those celebrations, to participate with us in Eid, Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha. When we invite them to our celebrations, this will communicate to them that we are accommodating for all peoples, that we are accommodating of all races, all ethnicities, and people of all faiths, inviting them to our celebrations. So we invite them to Eid al-Fitr, we invite them to Eid al-Adha, we invite them to Mawlid. There's nothing wrong with inviting them to our masajid to participate in our celebrations. But those who attend, they will attend because they ascribe to a secular worldview, where they attend the religious festivals of all religions. Those who refuse to attend, they are like us, that they are firm upon their faith. So we do not become offended if a Christian refuses to attend our events. So this is with regard to the religious commemorations. As for non-religious commemorations, which have no religious aspect to them at all, then we can congregate with them in non-religious celebrations, or in anything which does not entail an infringement of our usuluddin, our principles of religion. This is something very important to realize.